What if Ferrari decided the world had gone soft? Too quiet, too safe, too comfortable. What if Maranello didn't build a car but released a weapon designed to erase limits, dominate rivals, and terrify the idea of speed itself? This is a 2026 Ferrari F80. Not a car, not a machine. A declaration of war. Attention, this is not a review. This is a battle briefing. Red stamped, blacklisted, unauthorized. The F80 is not for collectors, not for influencers, not for the careful. It's for those who see roads as battlefields and speed limits as lies written by the weak. Subscribe now. We don't do safe stories. At its core, a twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 fuse with dual electric motors pulled straight from Ferrari's Formula One black programs. Total output, 1,200 horsepower. That's not power. That's force weaponized. 0 to 60 in 2.0 seconds. That's not acceleration. That's obliteration. Touch the throttle and reality fractures. By the time your brain reacts, you're already gone, like this video. Because this is only escalating. Top speed, over 280 miles per hour. At that velocity, you're not driving. You're skimming the planet like a missile barely held down by gravity. From the front, the F80 doesn't look fast. It looks armed. A razor-edge nose. Laser LED optics locked on like targeting systems. Every surface shaped by wind tunnel obsession. No curve for beauty. Only edges for destruction. From the side, it crouches low and wide. Carbon fiber pulled tight like muscle. A predator frozen milliseconds before the kill. The doors don't open. They strike upward scissor sharp, revealing a cockpit built for combat. At the rear, hell wakes up. Quad jet-inspired, exhaust spit flame like afterburners. An active rear wing rises like a guillotine, deciding not just downforce, but dominance. The taillights streak red through the night. Translation? You weren't racing. You were being hunted. Wheels, forged carbon. 21 inches front, 22 inches rear. Wrapped in Pirelli compounds, engineered to grip, like a fighter jet slamming onto a carrier deck. They don't roll. They anchor physics while the F80 tears it apart. Behind them, carbon ceramic breaks the size of shields, dragging this machine back from warp speed with apocalyptic force. Inside, no luxury, no comfort illusions. This isn't a cabin. It's a command center. Carbon-reinforced seats lock you in like restraints. Alcantara woven with Kevlar. Titanium paddles at your fingertips, waiting for orders. Ahead of you, an F1 derived HUD flooding your vision with telemetry, G-forces, hybrid deployment. This isn't driving. This is control. Comment right now, could you handle this daily, or would it break you? And the sound. The V8 snarls like a caged predator. The electric motors scream like banshees. Together, they don't sing. They detonate. At idle it stalks. At red line it tears the sky open. You don't hear the F80. You feel it in your bones. Price? $3 million. Not a cost. An initiation fee. Only 50 units will ever exist. Owning one doesn't make you rare. It makes you dangerous. Fuel economy? Irrelevant. 8 mpg when unleashed. 12 if you lie to yourself. Range? About 250 miles. But when you own a missile, who asks how often it needs reloading? Against Bugatti, against Koenigsegg, against Lamborghini. The F80 doesn't compete. It hunts. Where others chase numbers, Ferrari delivers precision warfare. They didn't build this to join the war. They built it to end it. If you're still watching, subscribe. You're one of us. From the 250 GTO, to the Enzo, to LaFerrari. Ferrari wrote the language of speed. But the F80? That's not a chapter. That's the final sentence. Written in carbon, forged in fire, signed in gasoline. Remember this. Don't drive boldly. Drive like you command artillery. Don't move through life. Move like you're unstoppable. The Ferrari F80 isn't here to win races. It's here to rewrite fear itself. This isn't a hypercar. It isn't even a Ferrari. It's a war cry on wheels. Drop a comment, would you tame it, or would it tame you?